Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, at first you have to open your calendar application. Next, click right here a few times and tap right here on this marker and select event. Right now, add the title. We can set up also other things, like for example, we can change color of our event. We can add the location, add some description on event. Just pick the attachment, change the time zone. So there's a lot of things that we can customize, as you can see. And if you set up, if you set up everything, you have to tap on the right upper corner to save. And as you can see, here we got our event. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.